Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and today I'm going to talk about how to actually freaking make what 11K plus per month off of FX. Okay, I have a little prediction right here, which I'm going to delete, obviously. All right. So, can you actually make $11,000 as I said, which is pretty a lot? Okay, a lot of money, which is actually my plan. Okay, I'm trying to catch this move as early as possible. So we're gonna do some quick calculations right here. Okay, we have something on the chart, not on the chart, but on the Google right here, which we're gonna basically calculate. Also, I'm gonna go like just give me a second right here. So again, here we are on the chart. So before we get any further, $11,000, as I said again, is a lot, and you can also just join my free community. Okay, it's first link in the description right there. It's a Discord server. So what we're going to talk about, like off the start, you will need some payment. Okay, you can work a job, do whatever you want. Okay, do your business, but if you don't have the capital and all that, I mean, I'm just going to share the plan. Everyone can do it. Okay, if they stay consistent, but this is not get rich quick scheme. All right, you're going to need that 100,000 account. Okay, 100K account, which is 740 750 pounds, not pounds but bucks or dollars. Like, okay, you can register after that. You can like go ahead, uh, do the phases. Okay, you have phase one, which you're going to do 8%. Then you have phase two, which you need to do 6%, and basically is a the minimum days that you can like do the both of them phases are 20 days, I guess. Okay, first phase is 10 days, and then the second phase is 10 days too. You can go ahead check it out by yourself, but you're gonna need that. Okay, if you want to do that right now, like you can easily go and uh, go with the 10K account, which everyone starts right there. That's where I started. So that said, how you want to do this? Okay, you want to have a strategy that can produce you for 5 days a week, 5% a week. Okay, it's gonna be 5% a week. If you reach a 5% goal per week, I mean, it's gonna be okay. You're gonna need 10 R if you use 0. Okay, I'm gonna mark it up too. You're gonna need 10 R if you use 0.5%. Okay, per trade, you're gonna need that 10 R. Okay, you can have one trade that's gonna produce 10 R, and you're absolutely gonna have that. Okay, you're gonna be down for the week. That's it. Daily, I will go with like with 1%, but I don't need like really have daily goals. I mean, I do have them more so weekly. If I make 10% in a day, I'm chilling for the whole week. Monthly one is gonna be 15%. On the other hand, you can go with 20%. 50% is pretty good with me. Okay, if I do 50%, I think that my month is profitable. So 50% a month. Okay, per month. Right now, like you can go ahead, like we can go calculate it on the 10,000 account. Plus 15% is going to be 1,500. Okay, plus 15% is going to be, as I said, 1,500. Right now, like you need to just subtract the 10K. You're going to be left with 1,500. Then you're going to subtract 25% because you're not going to go home with all of the money that you made. 25%, like the first withdrawal is going to be 25. Now again, after you like keep withdrawing your profits and all that, it's going to fall to 20. Then it's going to be 15. They're going to take. Eventually, you're going to only be going home with like minus 10%, right? But you like again, you just really need to scale my forex funds. Or like you can use whatever company you like. I prefer my forex funds. So that said, minus 25% is gonna be, this is on 10K okay account. It's 1,125 bucks per month, which I mean it's not a lot, but for the starters it's pretty good. Okay, it's pretty good. And right now, like if you do the same thing, okay, if you do the same thing with 100,000, okay, we have this is yeah 100,000 plus 15%, as I said, is going to be okay. Right now, we need to subtract the 100,000. We have 15,000. We subtract that, but minus 25%, you're going to be left with 11,250 dollars. Okay, this is the money that you're going to get that you're gonna go home before tax. Right now, like you can do your tax and all that. We're not gonna get deep into that, but that's easily okay. That's gonna be the plan. Okay, I'm just gonna show this video out there for the people who are good traders. Do that. They don't have the capital. How they can do it again? $750 is quite a lot from where I come. Okay, like I'm from Europe, so in like a great area from Europe, like which did here. This is pretty a lot. This is why you can scale. Okay, one 10K account is $84 on MFF, so you can go ahead and try it out. Okay, and if you're a good trader, you can eventually come up to these numbers. But you really need to set those goals. For example, 5% a week, 50% per month. Right now, it doesn't add up because you have 5% per week. Okay, if you multiply that by four, which that's how many weeks we have in a month, it's gonna be 20%, right? It's gonna be 20%. But I wanted to do that because not every week you're gonna be profitable, okay? Not every week you're gonna be profitable because it's a business. Like, hey, we're gonna have those losses, you're gonna have those wins, but again, not every week you're gonna be profitable. If you even do 20%, 30%, it's all good. It is always up to you. But that's how I want to like play like this out for the guys who and girls, obviously, for the people who don't have kind of what they want to do. Just quick, simple example, and also I showed you at the start with the 10K. This is one like 100K. We can also go with the 20, okay, 20K account, which is a great, okay, pretty great sum. Go with 15%. It's gonna be 3,000. Okay, so right now we type in 3,000 minus that 25% that they're going to take at first, then it's going to be 20, 50. I don't know how to call, okay, I don't know how the scaling works, but you're going to go with 2,250 bucks home after they have their piece of the money. So you just have to build a strategy that's going to produce you this much, okay? With smart money concept, easy as fuck, but you need to stay consistent, and you're not going to get this is like 1 month. I mean, maybe you can if you're like really profitable. But I'm not trying to give you like and sell you nothing, okay? I'm not trying to sell fake dreams or something like that. Just want to say that everything that's great takes time. That's about it for this video. Let me know what your thoughts about this. Have a great day for the rest of your day. Have educational content. It's a YouTube playlist on my channel. You can go ahead check it out. It's what's Wyckoff, supply and demand areas, mitigation, and all that. And again, join the Discord community. First link in the description down below. Peace out and bye, guys.